Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And then we need to scroll down just a bit. Right here I have spatial audio. Now, not all Android phones have it, so you may have it. And you cannot find this feature, at least at the settings, on your Apple device. Now, to enable it, you need to tap at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!